good lights. Lovely, nice lights, really. How you doing? 10-4, 10-10. This is the Honda Forza. Honda Forza 300. He's jealous. Aquí. They pass here, they start swearing when they see this bike. You know, nothing else to do is all troublemakers left after lockdown, COVID. They just like to mock. And they say they soon find your name. That's why they don't get anywhere. I don't know how to cancel that. Flipping indicators. Oh yeah, switches are far too close. Brakes working. Got to take this thing for an MOT. That's why I say who's there, because nobody appreciates it. They pass by and they mock and swear. See, they think that we're a foreigner. It's not so. I've lived here 47 years and worked 37 years, yes. Now, let's start this thing.